G'day everyone, Agent A here. Today we'll do the unboxing of this Rode Wireless Go. Now this is a compact wireless microphone system. It's not my first one. I actually got another one connected to the camera at the moment, and that's been using it for many years, and that is the Rode Filmmaker's Kit. It's been very trustworthy there. Now as I do the unboxing, I'll tell you a reason why I've actually got this particular second system there, and also why I've chosen this particular product over its competitors there. So first off, let's start actually unboxing this. So what I first really need is my trustworthy knife. And let's bring that out and let's kind of cut these nice little stickers from here. And again, it's always nice as you cut away from yourself rather than cut towards yourself. I found that many, especially when I was actually working earlier in my younger years. That could be a very big problem if you cut yourself or stab yourself, as they say. All right, let's have a look. So I know there's many videos about unboxing this, but I'm going to try and make it different because of my situation here. Maybe you can learn some stuff, or you can tell me some stuff as I learn different things about it. I haven't actually seen an unboxing video for this yet. I know there are plenty out there, but this is my one anyway, so I don't know what's actually in here, so it'd be nice to find out. I see another sticker there. I wonder if I do need it. Oh, let's just do the tear anyway, so let's try that. Okay, now there's a bit of a tear. And the one of the reason why I actually chose a Rode, besides going to a jumping ship, is I know Rode are very trustworthy, and they also made it here locally in Australia. Well, factories in China, but the company is actually in Australia, and they do all the testing and designs in Australia. So I always try to support my local businesses here, so it's great to actually there. So it's also one of the reasons why I did choose this one here as well too. So let's open this up and see what's there. So it's nice little packaging. It's got a bit of a startup guide, quick guide, which is actually quite nice because that's these days a lot of things are online and expect you to actually go online to do it. So it's nice to see that's actually built into it. And if they try to save paper, I hope they do. Let's find out. Again, here we go. We've got these two. I'm just trying to bring these two things out. So we've got the transceiver and the receiver. Now, I'm going to it's actually stuck in there. So let's try. There must be another way to. Here we go. Here's another way to do it. Maybe. Here we go. We got it out. Oh, that's actually pulled out from there. Okay, there's more things underneath there, but I'll have a look at it. So straight away, I've got some nice little thing here. I can see there's actually a dead cat muff for the microphone there. That's pretty cool. Now it's clipped onto this thing here. Okay, oh, I've just lost something else. Another cable there. Well, I'll come back to that one there. So I've got here this is the transceiver. Yep, the transceiver, because I see the microphone on top here, which is quite nice. So that's the transceiver there. Oh, hopefully I don't break it before I even start turning it on anyway. And then we've got the receiver on this side here. And then I see a cable which is USB-A to USB-C. That's probably to charge the actual units itself, which is kind of good. The other one I was actually looking at was called Saramonic Blink 500. Now that was a very intriguing because this was very similar thing. I did see these two in store as well. Now this one was actually a little bit more compact, but when I quickly had a quick skim through Google, the actual sound quality to me and for my purpose, very similar. So I know the Saramonic can actually do 2 units. This one can do 1 channel. Sorry, what I mean by 2 units is, well, it has 1 transceiver but 2 receivers. You can do in that mode, which means you can take 2 inputs in, but you can't really separate it. But you can actually do, it's good for interviews where you can actually take in 2 microphones in and record that. But this one can't do that. It is only 1-on-1. But one of the main reasons why I chose this particular one here in Australia, actually the price was actually similar. That's only for 1 unit for the Blink 500. In the Blink 500 with 2 units, it was at a lot more there. So you're adding, I think it's an extra about $150 for in Australia anyway. But the reason why I chose this one was because this one transceiver actually has an LED screen which actually gives you a lot of information. I like that, like battery life. Let's see if I can turn this thing on here. So I have a feeling this will be it. Nope. I'm out. Oh, there we go. I've got it turned on here. Okay. So it will tell me the battery life of the transceiver and also the wireless signal, what if it's looking for it. And if I turn on the transceiver here at the bottom. I'm taking yes. There we go, it's turned on. And I can see the transceiver as well as on. It's pretty much nearly out of battery, and I can see it's actually trying to record, well, have some actually indication that it's actually getting something. With this Samsara, it's actually just one big LED light where I actually have that separates into three, and you really can't get much out of that information there, which I don't find very useful. It's pretty old style. I think it's been nice to have that LED screen in there. This one also was more compact as well compared to the other one. So I definitely like when it's more compact there. Now let's keep going and on unboxing it, and then I'll tell you the reason why I've chosen this system compared to using my old system here. So okay, so we've got another cable here. So this is the cable that goes from the transceiver to the camera, so that's nice to see. I've got another dead cat here. I don't know, we've got two. Sweet. I don't know if there is any difference. I think it's just one's a replacement. That's nice. Some documentation. I was thinking they were going to save on paper on this, but no, they did give us documentations. Don't need that at the moment. And then what's in here was a nice little pouch to put it all in, which is quite nice. It's very nice. Let's have a look. Ooh, does fit in really well. I think it does. Now it's good to have a pouch. Now I'm going to tell you the reason why it's good to have a pouch. To try and save, and also there's another reason why I'm actually going for this sort of system here, because I had an accident on my filmmaker's kit. I actually dropped the bag for that one there, and I actually cracked a screen from one of my lights because of how intruding it was, and I didn't really pack it in a bag because there is no bags for that one there. But so this has a bag and it's nice and cushy, which is good, which means I can't crack other stuff out there. So I like having a bag there. It's really nice to have a nice little bag for this. And that's pretty much all there is into this box here, so let's move that across there. Now I'm going to tell you, there are a lot of things about this that you probably can find from other videos here, but I'm going to tell you the reason why I've actually got this compact system here. Now this compact system is actually for my gimbal actually, because what I've been finding to try and do is having the filmmaker kit set is extremely hard when you've got the camera in there. At the moment I'm using the camera to record, so I can't really put a camera in here. But when this actually, I'll just kind of show you what I mean by this. Okay, so let's lock this one in place. Come on, boy. Oh, wrong way around, so that's my fault there. Okay, sorry, wrong way around because I was flipped around. But with the cameras set up on top here, and I'm just going to unlock some of these axes here just to help it out. So when you unlock the axis here and you actually come down here, all right, so you've got down here, and my camera will be about this sort of big, and the filmmaker's kit will make it even higher, which is a bit too high when you actually bring this up, so I can't really mic up. Some people do have a shotgun mount, which is currently what's actually connected to my filmmaker's kit at the moment, so I'm not going to actually touch that, or you're going to hear a lot of rustle. But there are other people who are actually trying to actually connect that up. They can actually put it on the side. I can flip this on the other side here. And I'll just show you that. It will be more useful to understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so if I put it on down here, we can have the camera connected here, and then you have a lead connected to the microphone here. And you can do a shotgun mount, but when you're actually talking, of course, shotgun mounts are very directional, and I want to actually sometimes narrate for some narrate narrative of what I'm actually doing, or what I can actually see what's around surround sound, because of course we don't really want the onboard microphone. Is pretty horrific, so I always have a microphone with me, and having a compact one, especially with the gimbal, is fantastic. I can always connect the shotgun microphone to the transceiver of this system here, and it will do absolute fantastic to actually put input to the biggest thing is this transceiver is actually very slimline. That's one of the reasons why I actually like this system itself compared to the Samsara, because that was a little bit more thicker there as well too. But definitely one of the biggest selling point was actually the LCD screen there. Alright, so that is one of the reasons why I bought a compact system. The other one is purely just more easiness. You'll probably see me change over my videos over to this one here, just because I'm probably get sometimes lazy to actually mic up myself by putting a lavalier. I'm just going to clip it in. I'm just going to use the built-in mic, and if I find that one not that great, I'll probably lavalier there. Now that one I think it doesn't come with, as you probably noticed, is it doesn't come with a lavalier mic. But like I said, this is my second system. I've already got a lavalier mic from my filmmaker's kit, so I'll probably end up using that later on if I find the built-in mic from this Transceiver is not that fantastic. I will change it over. But from what I've seen for other reviews, I think it's going to do enough for it. So definitely, if you find the video informative or have enjoyed it, give it a like, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button bottom right hand screen. I do try to upload a new video every Tuesdays. And just remember, imperfections in life makes it beautiful and interesting. I'll see you next video.